Hi, this is Ted Harris, the Harris Fun Club. And now, to start the show, I'm going to speed walk in a circle for no reason. Other way. And now I'm going to dance uncontrollably. And I have a great show and entertain you. It's really amazing. So here we go. No, I, Harris Puffin, I have a song to sing to you. It's 9 o'clock for Saturday. The regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic engine. He said, "Son, can you play me a melody? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it sounds sweet and I knew complete when I wore younger man's clothes." Da 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 da. Sing us a song, you're a piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Oh, we're all in the mood for a melody. You gotta feel it all right. Oh, John at the bar is a friend of mine. He gives me my drinks for free. Oh, he's quick with a joke and a like or smoke. With some he'd rather be. He said, "Ted, can you believe this is killing me? I just farted away from the stage, but I'm sure that I could be a movie star. And I could get out of this place. Say it's the song, you're a piano man. Say it's the song tonight. Oh, we're all in the mood for a melody. You gotta feel it all right. John is a real estate novelist who never had time for a wife. And he's talking with Davy, who's still in the Navy, and he'd probably be there for life. And the waitress is practicing politics as the businessmen slowly get stoned. But they shine the drink they call loneliness. It's better than drinking alone. That's a pretty good crowd for a Saturday. The manager, he gives me a smile. So this me they've all come to see. Forget about life for a while. And piano sounds like a carnival. The microphone smells like beer. And they set the bar and they put bread in my jar. say, man, what are you doing here? La, 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 say it's a song, your piano man. Say it's a song tonight. Oh, listen for a melody. And you guys feeling alright. Bum bum ba da da bum bum ba da. Thank you. Oopsie, that's all the time we have for today. For the minutes, we had a great show, it's amazing, and we had a lot of great fun today. Anyway, till next time, we've had lots and lots of fun, you know, but now it's time to go. If that's your rain, ever made, all the in heaven, still doing this show. See you next time.